Alumni network and academic portal using machine learning. Abstract. The Alumni Network, an academic portal using machine learning, is an innovative web platform designed to enhance engagement between alumni and their academic institution. Here is our website, which you can find Python projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From Python projects to span diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research. Document. In Document, we can provide this: contents, abstract, introduction, literature survey, system analysis, requirement analysis, system design, implementation and results, system study and testing, conclusion, future enhancement or future scope, references. PPT. In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references. Results. This is the landing page of our website. In here, user can register for Become Alumina. In here, user can log in if he was accepted by admin with the registered credentials. In here, admin can view all the alumni details. In here, admin can view all requests from users for Alumina access and take actions for that requests. In here, Alumina can select another Alumina for chat. In here, admin can add news details. In here, admin can update and delete news. In here, admin can add gallery details. In here, admin can update and delete gallery. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.